Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by accepting the only route to the remote control car, the mechanic quest. You need at least $5,000 and a ride to reach the industrial district fast. Once done, set your map marker to the pawn shop at X210Y, -45 and speak with the mechanic NPC to get the task. He explains which parts to fetch and why the pawn shop sells the RC license only after you finish his request. Move now. Don't waste time looting unrelated areas. You must gather the 3 core parts the mechanic asked for: 3 wires, a battery, and a chassis. Check crates in warehouses for wires, search the docks for a cheap chassis, and loot battery spawns. Once you have everything, avoid police heat by using alleys or your car to escape. Speed matters. Then bring the parts to the unlocked workbench in the garage and craft the RC controller. Make sure to follow the crafting recipe exactly so the controller registers as quest progress. Once crafted, return to the pawn shop and pay the $5,000 fee to convert your controller into the official RC vehicle item. Equip it in a quick slot and press the summon key. You should bind controls and drive within 30 seconds. If the car fails to respond, first re-equip the battery component and make sure you're within range. If that doesn't work, check server lag and relog. Reconnecting usually fixes sync or inventory glitches, so the remote becomes usable again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.